Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we look at how Manchester United's new coach, Ruben Amorim, charmed in his first press conference at the Jimmy Murphy Centre. Ruben Amorim held his first press conference as Manchester United's football coach at the club's Carrington Training Centre. He will take charge of his first game on Sunday when Manchester United face a newly promoted side, Ipswich Town. I like the way Moram put he felt happy, comfortable, and at home. Moram looked clearly unfazed, showed his charisma and personality during his tenure at Sporting Lisbon. I would say this would be one of the most confident of openings for a new coach at Manchester United. There seems to be an overwhelming feeling that Moram is the right fit, and Manchester United have finally got the right guy for the job. Amaram comes across very confident in his ability. His methodology messages were concise and very clear. He definitely seems to have a bigger picture in mind, and it can be sensed with the way he described in a very engaging manner, and he did it with pretty flawless English, being for a Portuguese. Amorim feels there is a need to work all together if the club has to improve. He will definitely have a say in the recruitment process, in the profile of players, how to play, and as it will also be his responsibility. It will be wrong to jump into any early conclusions yet, but there is definitely positivity, and Amorim will back his players as he believes in them and expects them to work hard and embrace his ideas and principles. Manchester United are 13th in the English Premier League after a miserable start to another season, having won only 4 of the 11 games so far, managing only 12 goals, same as their opponents on Sunday, Ipswich Town. Well, will this be another impossible job? Will Manchester United's fortune finally be in the right direction? 13 long years after the last Premier League title. Will Ruben Amorim take them forward, deliver what other well known managers could not? We will wish well for Amorim and look forward for better days. Well, that's it from my side. Please provide your comments, like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such reviews. Until next time, take care.